Okay, so hi, dear Leo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and give me 1 second. I have to switch on the lights. Now it's bright. Okay, so I don't have my Oshos and tarot cards with me for the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to do the Moonology Oracle card readings for this week. It might be a little funny because I don't know how to read these cards, so I'm going to use the guidebook to like properly answer you for the message okay that we get. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And what else? For tarot reading course, link is given below. For Ho'oponopono masterclass and self-love course, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see what we have for Leo people for this week from 3rd till the 9th of November. Hmm. 3rd of November, we have a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer, 74, page number. Things are likely to get very heated as full moon is Cancer is a super emotional sign. So there could be something of an explosion of feelings around you now or surrounding your life right now. It's important to be sensitive to other people when you pull this card. There are some very fine sensibilities around, so tread carefully as you move towards your goal or dreams. This card indicates an especially feminine time. It also, just give me a second, yeah. It also heralds the time to deal with any family issues coming up. Nothing to worry about. It signals a challenge is now coming to an end. Huh? After scaring somebody this much? Okay. Okay. This card also suggests both that domestic matter or private issue will come soon to a head. And that's a great time to move house. Additional meanings: meditate to soothe heightened emotions. Don't be clingy. Stop sulking. Have you had enough family time lately? So make time for your family. Okay. Or people who are like family to you. And the guidance, or you can say the message for this day, it may be best to move towards what you want in a sideways manner. I don't know what that means. Okay. 4th of November, the energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. For 4th of November, the message here is on the 98 number. Hmm. The situation is full of potential. Your dreams can come true. More effort is yet required. Are you willing to give it? Okay. Revive your goals and ensure you are still committed. Keep moving forward. So your energies are going to gain momentum, and the situation is full of potential. This day is full of potential for whatever you are trying to achieve here. Your dreams can come true, but efforts are required. Are you willing to give those efforts? That is the question here. Review your goals and ensure you are still committed to your goals. Keep moving forwards. The message, the guidance or affirmation for this day is: I know I am headed in the right direction. Now we are getting it. How to do the readings. 3rd, 4th, 5th of November, we have luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. Okay. So for 3rd, 4th, 5th of November, we have 58 number. You need to laugh more. Okay. This is a wonderful time to start a course of study or teaching. Don't be narrow minded. Start a week of gratitude practice. For example, via Facebook or journal or blog. The message or the affirmations or the guidance for this day: count your blessings, literally. Write them down or say them out aloud. So basically, whatever is going to happen next on this day in your life is going to become some sort of gift, even if that simply means widening your world view. So attitude of gratitude is required. for luck to be on your side. It's like luck is on your side, but you can make it work out in your favor more precisely by doing all of the things that I just told you guys. Third, fourth, fifth, 6th of November, full moon in Taurus. Your dreams need a practical plan. Okay, for 6th of November, right? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6th of November, we have full moon in Taurus. Your dreams need a practical plan because this is moonology cards. So these are the names of the cards. Don't get confused, okay? So we have 70 number, the message. Laziness could explain your current situation. If so, change that and own it. Chasing money doesn't work. You need to chase a dream. Jealousy or envy create negative energy and attract negativity. More exercise is called for. The message, the guidance, or the affirmation for this day is write down 10 things that you know are wonderful about you. Okay. So, financial fortunes can come, and your dreams need a practical plan. You have to have a proper practical plan. Only dreaming is not going to help you guys, right? And chasing money is not going to work. You have to chase the dream, chase the hard work, and money will follow you. Okay. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 7th of November, we have new moon in Leo. Confidence is your key to success. 7th of November. Okay, let's see what we have. It's time for you to show the world what you got, what you have got. Shine your light, have some pride, spoil yourself, you have earned it, you have turned someone's head. So the message or the guidance or the affirmation for this day is make time to have fun. So have confidence in yourself that that whatever you are trying to achieve or whatever your goal is, you will be able to achieve that. But confidence is the key here, right? It's like in order to succeed, you have to have the confidence, not the overconfidence or not the underconfidence, the confidence. Okay, so we have third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th of November. Void, of course, moon. Nothing will come of this situation. Let me see. The chances of something are diminishing. Something better may be around the corner for you guys, Leo. Believe that you will get what you need. Surrender to the divine. Take time out, meditate, and contemplate. This is the message for this particular day, 8th of November. The guidance, the guidance or the affirmation for this particular day is I trust in my highest good. Okay. 9th of November 2025, fixed moon, hold your vision. Let me see what is the meaning of this card for you guys for this particular day. Fixed moon. Staying power, faith, or patience. Staying power, faith, or patience are needed. Someone needs to back down, avoid stagnation. A personal or professional relationship will be enduring. Okay. So the affirmation for this day or the guidance for this day is yes. Just say the word a lot and see how it feels. So you have to hold your vision in your mind, whatever you are trying to achieve here, whatever you are trying to work on here, Leos, and it will happen only when you will be able to hold your vision firmly. Any kind of stagnation or distraction might create some kind of issues. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so this is the message. These are the messages for you guys that I'm getting for this week, Leo. Let me know in the comment section how you guys like it because I don't have my cards here. So for next week also, I might not be able to do the Oshos and tarot messages. Next week, maybe I will try something else. But these are the messages for you guys for this week. Hope you like it. And this is just an experimental video. You don't have to rely on these only. If you don't feel like connected to the readings, then they are not for you. If you feel connected, awesome, then you are definitely going to get something good out of these messages. They are deeply profound and spiritual kind of messages rather than practical or day-to-day life of messages, the day-to-day kind of messages. Okay, So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.